So here's Decomate3.com website. It's a very popular website these days, and basically here you can just leave anonymous messages on the tree, and then you will send these anonymous messages to your friend on a tree, and then that friend can see these messages during Christmas Day. So it's kind of like another version of anonymous messaging app, of another like NGL app or Sandeed app, but with the Christmas theme. I really recommend you to download an app, a mobile app instead of website, because Decomate3.com website is quite limited. So just download the app. Here you can see the app on iOS or Android, and then when you just open it up, you can just see how it works. And then here is, you see all these different messages which I kind of received, and then I can see it here, but I can't open it. I can only open it during Christmas Day. Remember that you really need to open this app during Christmas Day, because if you do not open it in Christmas Day, you need to wait for another year. So that's the idea. And then so you can always reach out them for support, because sometimes the app on the website is a bit glitchy. But basically you have it here. You can make your tree private if you want. You can delete your account and all your messages. You can also delete your account message from here if you don't like something. Then you can just copy this link to share, and then you just share this link on Instagram or Snapchat, wherever you have. You're just sharing it. You can add it to your Instagram bio link, whatever you have. So that's basically the idea of the app. Pretty cool. The trick is that you really need to wait until Christmas Day, and you have only one day when you can open all the messages. So it's kind of like a virtual messages gifts to your Christmas. But then if you fail to open this app during Christmas, all the messages are still locked, I think, to the next year. So that's the idea. So try it out.